Okay, so let's look at the effects of dilation on perimeter and area. So we'll start off by reading our example. We have a rectangle has a width of 3 centimeters and a length of 4 centimeters. Another rectangle is dilated from this rectangle with a scale factor of 2. Okay, so this is giving us our pre-image. So we have, let's go ahead and draw our rectangle. Okay, so we have our width is 3 centimeters. Our length is equal to 4 centimeters. So this is going to be our P, or our pre-image. Okay, so this is going to be our pre-image. So now we have, to start off, we have, let's look at our, so 3 centimeters is our width, and then we have a scale factor of 2. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to find the perimeter of our pre-image. Okay, so we're going to use for P equaling 2L plus 2W. So again, this is our pre-image. Okay, this is what we're starting with. So we're going to substitute in the values of L and W, or the length and width. So we have 2 times L, which is 4 centimeters, so 2 times 4, plus 2 times W, and our W is 3, so 2 times 3. And then we have, if we simplify that, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 3, excuse me, that's 6, so 8 plus 6 is 14. So we have 14 centimeters is our P, or our pre-image, or the perimeter of our pre-image. And then the second thing that we need to do now is find the perimeter of the dilated rectangle. So step 2, this is going to be our image. So I'm going to do it sideways for just a moment. So this is our pre-image. Okay, so that's our pre-image. And now we're going to find the perimeter of the dilated rectangle. So this is going to be our image. Okay, so for P prime, the formula is, it's going to be the perimeter times the scale factor. Okay, so the perimeter times the scale factor. So we found our perimeter in step 1. Our perimeter is 14. And then times our scale factor, we're given a scale factor of 2. So times 2. And that equals 14 times 2 is 28, and our measurement is centimeters. So our perimeter of our image, or our dilated rectangle, is 28 centimeters. Okay, so that's part 1. Now they want us to find, says, what is the area of the dilated rectangle? So the area, so we started with the perimeter, now we're looking for the area. And we're going to have 2 steps again. We're going to deal first with our pre-image, and we're going to take the information for pre-image and find our image. So we're going to start again with our pre-image, and I'll do an arrow here to keep from having to do it again. Okay, and so the perimeter, the area, area of my rectangle, the formula is length times width. So again, we're going to substitute in the values of length and width. So our length is 4 centimeters, and our width is 3 centimeters. So 4 times 3 is 12. And because we're dealing with area, we have square units, so it's 12 centimeters squared, or squared centimeters. So that's step 1. Now we know what our pre-image is. Now we need to find the area of our image. So we have step 2, we're dealing again with our image. And for the area, or A prime, is equal to our area times our scale factor. Okay, so I'll do this, scale factor. And the difference between perimeter and area is that our scale factor is going to be squared. In our perimeter, we only use the linear unit, but in area, we're going to use our square units. So we have our area, as we found in step 1, is 12 times our scale factor of 2, and we square it. So we have 12 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times 12 is 48, and we're dealing with square units, so that's centimeters squared. And I'll write it over here just in case you can't see it really clearly. So 48 centimeters squared.